Right, so in this series we're going to be looking at some of the terms and techniques that can make your Wing Chun experience a little bit easier. Let's take a look. Hey guys, so inside, outside gate. If I brought Niall's arm here, anything on this side of his arm is considered the outside gate. And anything on this side is considered the inside gate. And it's really useful for when you're approaching the other person or when they're approaching you. It's really important that you don't cross yourself, okay? If I do an action like this, then I'm left open on the other side. So techniques you'll see in your form, like hook sao, I get hit. Jump sao, I get hit, and many others. I leave myself more vulnerable than anything else. So preferably on the inside, you're dealing with the same side. So if he's using his right arm, I'm using my left. I'm doing something like this where I can attack. Give me a punch for a second. Where I can just attack back here, or I've got another hand which can counter his second action. On the outside, you've got a bit more versatility, because here I can use either of my arms quite effectively. I can use this to defend, or I can use this to defend. There is an exception. On the inside, if Niall has grabbed my arm and he's striking through here, I have to come on the inside. But the key is that you do not go towards the elbow, because this can still wrap around and hit you. You keep it close. This is what the Wu Sao's for, a rear guard hand, and you can cover here. All right? In fact, you can cover and then attack. It's all about attacking. Right, so now you know the difference between the outside gate and the inside gate. If I throw a punch at Niall, he does this, outside gate. If I throw a punch at Niall, he does this, inside gate. Very simple thing that will help your understanding of the Wing Chun and help you break down the techniques a little bit easier. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.